guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Daily Goodie Box. This is a free box. It's not a subscription where you sign up. Actually, you do sign up on the Daily Goodie website, and you may not get a box every month. They'll send it out based on the initial survey they give you, asking you about your household, your likes, your dislikes, your lifestyle, your eating habits, etc., etc., and then they will match you with products in the boxes. This is really cool because there's a lot of organic, all natural items included, a lot of snacks, sometimes some beauty items. It's really fun, and it's free. All you have to do after you get your box is sign up on the Daily Goodie website. Fill out your feedback on the Daily Goodie website. I will link to them below. I will also link to each of the products that are included in this box down below, and I will link to my reviewer page on my blog, because that's where I list all of the companies that I work with that send out free products to you guys if you want to start reviewing, because that's one of the biggest questions I get is, how did you start reviewing? When did you start reviewing? Why did you start reviewing? And that's kind of like the base where you can start, and I have it all set up. Really easy for you to go check out. Alright, so let's just get in here and get cracking. They do come in another box, like an outer box, and then this box, so it's all comes like really safe. You'll have this, and it reminds you to go fill out your feedback once you do get your box and try your products. So here it is. Look at this. Look at how many items. So first we have Bubba's Fine Food Savory and Crunchy Blazing Buffalo Nana Chips. Ooh, non-GMO, paleo, vegan, no added sugar. So I could probably sub these. I'm on like a diet, and I did start with a personal trainer, guys. It's amazing, by the way. But I am allowed to have fruit as a snack, so maybe I can fit this in there. I've never heard of this brand though. Super excited to try. Next up we have Chipotle Mayonnaise from Sir Kensington's, made with free-range eggs. This is a full-size 12-ounce jar, and it is like a squeezy tube. Isn't that cool? I've never had Chipotle Mayonnaise. Would you use this as like a dip too, maybe? I'm not sure. Just thinking out loud. So there's that. Next we have Fire and Flavor All Natural Seafood Rub. This is lemon, pepper, and herb. You can use this on seafood, salmon, chicken, and veggies. This is a 2.5-ounce jar. I've never heard of this brand, Fire and Flavor. It's spices: salt, dried bell pepper, dried onion, dried garlic, citric acid, turbinado sugar, canola oil, and lemon oil. That'll use. That sounds yummy. All right. Then there is some Noro Gum. I have had this before. I don't know where I got it, but I've had it, and I actually really liked it. So it has no aspartame, and it gives you energy, clarity, focus. I think it actually has, like, what is that stuff? Vitamin B6. But what else? L-theanine, that's it, and caffeine. So it does help with like energy and like focus. So if you're going to go into a meeting or you have a class or something like that, this is perfect. Or you've got to sit down and pump out like 6 reviews, might be good. And this is, it's EnlightenMint. Oh, isn't that cute? All right, next up we've got Essence of Valley Sleep, a bedtime ritual, but it's not in there. Where are you at? I don't know. We'll find it. All right, next we've got Most Rich Mascara from MTJ. I've never heard of this brand. Get 20% off with your order of $60 or more with Good 20, Procosmet.com. Ooh, a mascara. Interesting. I've never heard of that brand. Who's this brand? Tell me more. All right, then we've got Herb Guru. We received a couple, or maybe just one product from them before. This is the Vibrant Vitality Herbal Tea. It's a 12-ounce thing. It's made all herbal Ayurvedic, I guess. Pineapple, cranberry, orange peel, pearl barley, navy bean, and coconut, and red bean are included in here. It's good for your immune system. Here it is. So this is like a sleep scent. Try and remove stopper and carefully tip vial to release a drop onto the corner of your pillowcase. Ooh, and it'll make you go to sleep. It's made with plant essences. That's interesting. The bottom of the box has a bunch of little immunity teas. This is from Prevention Wellness Teas, Organic India Thrive. There's those. 2 tea bags. I will try those out. I'm excited. And this from Herbal Zap. They, oh, this is the chips. They have 3 kinds of teas. They're all like Ayurvedic as well and help with your immune system and stuff like that. And then a coupon for the mayonnaise. And finally, This is a minute mixology. I actually have something else from these guys. You add this to your alcohol and it creates a margarita. This is a single serving margarita, lime, and agave mixer. So you just add that in, or you follow the directions. Mix 1 packet of minute mixology and 1.5 ounces of tequila, water, and ice. And that is it. So that's everything I received in my Daily Goodie Box. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you're a member of Daily Goodie. I will link to all the companies and Daily Goodie. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.